Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Fandom NY here. This is Chelan, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you another beautiful birthday balloon bouquet, and it's gonna be for a 3-year-old, and we will put this on the top of our bouquet, this beautiful crown. And this is our materials. We have 11 inches purple, we have round chrome mauve balloon 11 inches, and also our 260Q. We'll use this color right here, pink, so it will complement with our color of the crown. So with that said, I'm gonna pump this. There you go, guys. Alright guys, so now we will inflate our purple balloon here. It's chrome, and this is 11 inches. We will inflate this to 9 inches or 22.86 centimeter. So you need 8 of this. There you go, guys. This like that. This. So now they're like that. So remember the balloon right here, attach it to your other balloon. Just tie them. Tie your balloon right there, put them in place, just like that. So this would be your base, and now we will put our water weight or balloon weight right on here. Okay, so here's our balloon weight. Is balloon filled with water, and just grab one of the balloon tip right here and tie it. Just tie it like that. Okay, so that would be your weight. Alright guys, so we'll add more balloons here for our base. This is just like a cluster of balloon. We'll attach this on here. So this one right here. That would be your cluster of balloon. Now guys, we'll attach our flower right here. This time I'm gonna use our glue gun, low temperature glue gun, and I'll put our flower right here. So I'll show you the back side as well. I'm gonna put glue gun right here so it's more secure. And guys, also our number 3, we will put glue. We'll glue gun this here as well. And then we'll use some of this. It's 11 inches. I put just a little. Squeeze this like that in the center. another one. And combine them. So 2 balloons, you make it into a quad. Just like that. We make lots of this and we'll put this on our balloon, okay? Alright guys, so it's time to add our balloons here. This time I'm gonna use our balloon glue dots. I'll put one of this here. That will support your flower as well. Now guys, we're ready to attach our crown right here. So again, I use balloon glue dots. I put some in here. And we'll attach this here. So I'm gonna use glue gun. Right on there. Put one on here as well. Our birthday balloon bouquet is a princess theme. I hope you guys like this. It's finally done, and again, thank you all for watching. And if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share this if you like. It would help our channel grow. And once again, this is FamBam NY. We would like to thank everyone for always there watching our video and for all your support.